Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this Tesla style screen special phone Subaru XV Impreza 2017-2020 years. Okay, you can check this front panel. It's built-in microphone and reset hole. Okay, you can check. And it comes with special harness. So it is plug and play. This ISO harness connects to back of head unit. Okay, this is radio antenna. And these connectors for factory plug and play. Okay, let me show this head unit. And you can check, you have navigation, radio, music, video, Bluetooth. This phone link for easy connection and connect Android phone and iPhone. This car auto. Support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This file manage Bluetooth stream music or apps are here. You can check. You can download the applications from Play Store, built-in Google Maps, Z-Link, and easy connection for Mirror-Link. Let me check the settings. Connect to the Wi-Fi. And the storage, you can check total 64 GB. PX6 RK399 Android 9 system. Okay, now back to home. This customized setting GPS, date and time, language. This DSP amplifier. Steam user setting. You can check. Okay, stereo controls. System info, you can check Android 9, RAM 4 GB and net flash 64 GB. Okay. Turn off. Brightness. Okay, first let me introduce you can visit our website belsee.com, belsee.com. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us, get the support. And let me check let me check Bluetooth. Okay, pin code 1234. You can enable turn on Bluetooth from your phone. It's Bluetooth. Okay. And delete and click search. Please disconnect and connect again. Okay. Click this connection. Okay, your phone will get message. Click OK. You refuse the context listing. Show Bluetooth icon. You can check connected paired device, and you can make phone call. Okay, it works with the Bluetooth free phone call, and you can stream music from your phone. Okay, this up and down. Okay. It works with Bluetooth free phone call. Okay. You can download the context listing. Also, you can download the phone book. You can click download. Okay. Okay, you can check this is our website, belsee.com. It's Tesla model. And if you have any more questions, you can contact to visit our website. Okay. Anyway, test music. You can connect the USB driver, USB disk on back. Okay, Belsee has been mounted. Show picture. Okay, this DSP amplifier. We can adjust. Mute. Okay. This is music. It shows this. The video. It supports PRP. Okay, this is video. Okay, you can download the applications from Play Store. Most apps already supported. It supports Maps, Google Maps, Sidekick, here, TomTom, navigation system. Okay, if you have any more questions, you can contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.